What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? I'm TK Profit and welcome to the How to Trade video tutorial. This video is a tutorial to teach you guys how to navigate and also how to follow along with the trades on our Discord. So without further ado, let's head over to Discord. Okay, you guys, when you enter our Discord as a new member, the first thing you need to do in order to gain access to the free trades is to head over to the Start Here section. Read through the rules as well as the disclaimer, and then move to the Start Here section. There is a message that is pinned. You'll find it at the bottom as the last and as the very first message. Click this link. It will redirect you to this page. Here, you'll be able to sign up and select your plan. Signing up for the free plan, you'll get 3 free trades weekly. You also have access to the main chat where you'll be able to engage with the other members. If you upgrade to the Profit Takers Pro membership plan, which is our $69 membership, you'll have access to every trade that we send out and all of the information that our Discord entails. You can sign up by manually typing in your information or using Facebook or Google, which is a little faster. Once you create your profile, head over to this tab. Tag me and let me know that you just signed up. Drop your username and you'll gain access to the main chat, free trade ideas section, as well as the off-topic chat section. It is set up this way to prevent bots from joining our Discord group so we just don't get hit with a lot of spam mail. I want the growth to be authentic. If you are a beginning level trader and you do not have an account with a broker, head back up to the Start Here section and click on the How to Trade with TK video. And it will give you a step-by-step guide to setting up your brokerage account, using MetaTrader 4 to implement your trades, as well as how to use FX Calculator, which is an app that we use to calculate our position size for each trade setup that we take. So again, if you're a beginner, take advantage of the contents of this section so you can be in position to follow us along with our trade ideas. In the main chat, please avoid any self-promotion or any offensive messages. If you would like to talk about anything off-topic or promote, head over to our off-topic chat and place them in there. We also want to grow and continue to evolve as the time moves on, so I made a suggestion section. We'll ask a few questions about certain updates. Please participate and engage with us so we can make everything amazing for you guys. For the members that take advantage of the 6-week challenge, which is our technical analysis learning course, you'll have access to the members charting area where you'll post all of your charting ideas. That way you'll be able to get feedback on your trade setups. But to finish up with the free members, you'll have access to the newsroom section, which gives you the news on the Forex, market news, crypto, and commodities. You also have access to the economic calendar and the mindset section. The economic calendar just shows you every major event that's coming out that could affect the market depending on what's printed in the news. We'll also post the earning reports. And down here at the bottom, you'll be able to find the monthly trading results. At the end of every month, I post a result of every trade that I sent out, the exact pip count that we earned, as well as the percentage return for the entire month. And all of our results will be posted in this section. If you're having any issues with the member, come up to the top where you'll find the Report a Member or Dispute a Mute section. If you look to the left, there's an arrow where you can access a subpanel. Click Open the Ticket and share your concern. Outside of that, you can come to Contact Staff to contact me, Mr. Chris, or any of the other moderators in the group. If we have any major announcements about any additions that we'll be adding to the Discord, you'll find them underneath the announcement section. And that's pretty much it for the free members of the group. Now, once you upgrade your plan and either take advantage of the Profit Takers Pro membership or the 6-week Profit Takers course, you'll gain access to everything underneath the Profit Takers tab. If you come to the left and click the arrow, you'll get a drop down of sub tabs. We have access to every trade that we take. We'll send charts to support all of our trade setups. And in our trade setups, you'll get exact entries, exits, and target areas for every setup, as well as a recommended percentage to risk. You get setups for indices, Forex, crypto, options, as well as commodities. Now, you won't be able to post messages underneath the trade ideas section, but I'm really big on energy, so I left the ability for you guys to add reactions, which is pretty much just a way to say thank you or encourage the people that you receive the trade setups from. That way we can flood our group with love, joy, and positivity. We'll update all of our trade ideas in the trade update section and also post key levels for everything that we're looking at underneath these tabs. Now, if you want to add a little personality to your profile, you can come up to Get Roles. You'll be able to select different colors, your continent, as well as your sign. And that's pretty much it as far as the navigation for our Discord. So before you leave, I want to thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. And again, you're only one trade away from living Why Fight to stay the same. You guys have a great day.